I really want some miso soup. Oh my god, miso soup!
You want food?
Oh my god! What is wrong with you? You're
What the hell? What is that, Mom?
What?
Ma, you see this?
No. Holy shit!
What
What
is-
the hell is that?
What is happening?
A mí me llama Julián, me
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on that.
Kiss your cat and record their reaction.
Aquí. Voy a meter la máquina y su comida. Aquí.
talent out there shutting down wide receivers. I'm looking at this defense, and for what we saw over the last handful of years, talking about historically worst defense in the league, they had self-correct.
Woody.
You ready? Okay, here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little